Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've been putting together this little sort of sales product page, a bit like a sales funnel. It takes you down the page to the bottom here where people can actually get the prices and go ahead and click the button and buy your product. So before we do our price tables, which will be our next build, we need to install a plugin called Woocommerce, which is absolutely free, so we can actually sell this product and take people's money and send them a product. So let's get started. Here's our site as we left it last time. The only difference is I've added another clock for urgency, another countdown timer like we've got here, sale on for whatever amount of time you choose, and I put the clock in again just to remind people that time's running out on the sale. Now the only other section we've done that I haven't covered is this little sort of split hero section here, and it's done exactly the same way as our split hero section up here. The only difference is got our image over there, but I've got a little gallery module in here that's just rotating around a couple of images. Simple Divi gallery module. So I'm not going to cover that because it's exactly the same. If you want to see how to do that, have a look at that split hero section up the top. Alright, well let's go ahead and install our plugin. So let's go to our dashboard. We'll go to Appearance. And just under Appearance you'll see Plugins. Click on Plugins. And there's a couple there. I'm going to go ahead and delete them. Akismet, I'm not using it. And Hello Dolly, I'm not using it either. That's a backup plugin. I'll cover that when we finish this site. It's a great little plugin for backing up and restoring your site. You can also use it to move site. So we need to add WooCommerce now to be able to sell products. So I'm going to hit the Add New. I'm going to type in WooCommerce. And there it is right there. As I say, it's absolutely free, and it's probably the only plugin you're going to need for actually selling products. So let's install it now. Once installed, let's hit activate. So I'm going to hit yes please. And you need to put in your address. Where you're located. And for expediency, I'll say Alabama. And let's hit the continue button. Now you can check this box. I always like to check it and say continue because it sends data to WooCommerce and helps them improve their product. As my site's offline, I'm building it on my local computer. I'm not going to bother today, but usually I would check that. So I'm going to hit the continue. Electronics and computers. We're going to selling physical products. We're not going to be doing software downloads or subscriptions or memberships or composite, etc. So let's continue. 1 to 10. Currently selling elsewhere? No, not at the moment. I'm not going to use these because it's all separate, so I'm going to just switch these off and hit the continue. Okay, well I've already got my theme installed. We did that first thing round, so we can skip this step. So I'm just going to go back to the dashboard. I'm going to close down this tab, go to my site, go to the dashboard. There's our WooCommerce. Let's click on settings. And I'm going to skip the setup because the only thing left to set up is the theme, and we've already got that. Okay, so everything's set up just the way we want it. And the pop-ups just prompted us to set up our store and start selling. All we need to do is add our first product and we're good to go. So we'll be doing that in the next video. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.